Stop recording. Button.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to stick two padlocks together without glue or tape. So first what you're going to do is grab your padlocks, obviously. And then you want to grab your padlocks and take my two padlocks, and we're going to unlock them first. After you have unlocked one of your padlocks, you have to have two or more padlocks for this. Take the key off. I only use these padlocks for only playing. I don't use them for locking. So I opened one. We're going to take the one that is closed. Wait, no. Step 2. Grab your key. Grab your other padlock that is not unlocked and unlock it with your key. Okay.
Bottom and centered. Thumbnail width.
Take your key off. Open your padlock, take your key off. Okay. Now you have both your keys, both your padlocks. You want to lock one of your padlocks. Okay, I'm done. Now, step 4, grab both your padlocks. Step 6. Wait, I'm making a video, hold on. Step 5, take your padlock, take the one that's closed and put it inside the one that's open. Take the one that's open and snap it down. And now look,